Hi guys, this is Meena Biha and welcome to my channel Kraft. Today I'm going to share with you an awesome recipe. So today we're going to make jalebis. These jalebis are going to be juicy from inside and crunchy from outside. And they are going to be instantly made and are completely homemade. So before starting the recipe, let me tell you the best part. In this lockdown, you can easily make out this recipe because the ingredients this jalebi is going to contain are easily available at your home. So let's start. For preparing the batter, the ingredients you require are maida. You need 125 grams, that is half cup of maida. Then you require sour curd. You need 60 ml, that is 1/4 cup of curd. Then you require half tablespoon, that is 7.5 ml of ghee. मैं घी यूज़ करूँगी क्योंकि ये एज़ कम्पेयर टू ऑयल और बटर अच्छा टेस्ट देता है. Then you require baking powder. I'll be using Wikifield brand. And then you require some orange food coloring. If you don't have it, you can use haldi also. Then you require a large mixing bowl and a spatula. And then finally you require some water as per required for making the batter. अब दही आपका खट्टा होना चाहिए क्योंकि हम इसे खमीर करने के लिए इस्तेमाल करेंगे. अगर आपके पास ये नहीं है तो आप इनो को भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Then you require 180 grams of sugar. हम इसे चाशनी बनाने के लिए यूज़ करेंगे. And you also require 90 ml of water. जो शुगर और वाटर का रेशो है वो 2:1 होना चाहिए, जो कि 180 grams to 90 ml है. Then you require some piping bags. If you don't have, you can use milk packets also. Stage 1 is to take a utensil, place it on the gas stove and add to it 180 grams of sugar and 90 ml of water. And then you need to keep the flame on and cook it for some time. We'll be preparing the sugar syrup with it, so you need to add a pinch of lemon juice to it so that crystallization won't occur. As you can see, the flame is on and it is getting cooked. If you want, you can add cardamom powder and kesar to it. We shall not at all waste time. While the sugar syrup is getting cooked, we can prepare the batter. Here I am going to add half cup, that is around 100 grams of maida and curd to it. Before adding the curd, you need to soothe it well so that it becomes smooth and your batter does not become lumpy. Now you need to add ghee and baking powder also. You need to mix the batter well and make a quite thick batter out of it. Make sure the batter should not be very liquidy nor very thick. It should be quite thick. And you can see that the sugar syrup is getting well prepared. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, right now I have not added water. अब मैं इसमें पानी मिलाना शुरू करूँगी. Make sure you add water gradually. Here I have taken around half cup water, that is around 125 ml. You can see the consistency of the batter. It is quite stretchy and a bit flowing. Now you need to add a pinch of color as well to it. Here, as you can see, I have taken a mug. You can take a glass as well, and I have placed the polythene on it. Now I'll be pouring the batter to it. Once you are done pouring it, you need to create a piping bag like this, put the rubber band on the top, cut it from here, and then you can make the jalebis. You need to heat some oil in a pan and then start making the jalebis like this, as you can see. And now, as you can see, our delicious instant jalebis are ready. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and make sure you hit a like as well. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.